Good morning, everyone, or good afternoon or evening, whatever time it is when you're watching this. This is Deb, and I am here with hashtag 52 Weeks of Colorspiration, which is the brainchild of left-handed crafter, who is Brandy. Hello. And this is Easter Sunday. If you celebrate Easter, happy Easter. And it is the 20th of April, 2025. And so I showed this book in a recent haul. I did a flip through, and there was one page I said, "Ooh, I might have to color this page soon." Yeah, that's what I did. So let me get right to it. Here it is, little bunny. I used alcohol markers for all of it, except that I did bring in some Sakura glaze pens. I think the orange didn't work. Or no, the orange did. Something else didn't work. They're by Sakura, Japan. You can get them on Amazon. I got my initial pack at Michael's. Actually, I think I got loose ones at Michael's, and then I went back and ordered more because I used them quite a lot. And I have a regular pen sticking, excuse me, sticking in there. So, and then I used the glazed pens. I used a pink in the center of the flowers, which I colored in yellow. Sorry. I used a yellow on top this light green, and it made it shiny because my green was a darker green, but that's the one that was dried up. It wouldn't come out. This was a blue and a purple, and there is a little purple on the purple, but it didn't work much either. So yeah, maybe I'll have to put the blue on these. I wanted them on this and this stripe, but that's all right. I just have it on there, the yellow on the flowers and a little bit of purple in the center of the flowers. And I do have it on the orange. It just gives it like a sheen because I just felt it needed something. And the center of the flowers has a little bit of sheen to it too. For the background, I used the alcohol marker that I used for this egg, the light though, this was a dark. And I just took the tip and went all over, and then down here I used the same green I used in these leaves and went all over. It just felt like it needed to be grounded, and I didn't want to use so much alcohol marker to cover the background. I don't like coloring the backgrounds. I just don't. But I wanted it to have something. I thought about getting out a stencil, but there's not really a lot of room for like clouds or anything because it's cloudy here today. Yeah, anyway. Well, I did this before Easter though. So if you want to know the colors, I did use Stampin' Up! Alcohol markers. You can use whatever you have. And this book, I never said this in the thing. I don't see a name on the book in the back. It's probably just one of those AI coloring books, I'm guessing, because it doesn't have a, which I'm not real happy about that, but oh well. All right, so I used Granny Apple Green, light and dark here. Polished pink, light and dark on the flowers, as well as lemon lolly dark. Those are all current. Polished pink is retired. Anyway. Tahitian Tide on this egg and Orchid Oasis. And I used the dark in both of those. And Lemon Lolly, also dark in the flowers. Egg 2 over here is Berry Burst, which actually is a current color. Peach Pie, which is a current in color. And Bubble Bath, which is a current color. This is Light Lemon Lolly. Parakeet Party alcohol marker. And Magenta Madness, which is retired. And then, like I said, I went over it with a yellow gel pen, and that made some of this look a little lighter. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah. And I think, did I cover all that? Yep. And then the bunny is gray granite, light and dark bubble bath, light for the nose and darker for the ears. No, I'm sorry, light and dark gray granite, only light bubble bath. Now the ears, I also used the gray granite I put pink down on this one, then went over it with a little gray because their ears aren't pure pink, you know. Also, I let the alcohol dry and then I went back over it with the same color with little brush strokes to make it look more like fur. I think I got it too dark here, but it looks more like fur to me. I don't know if you can see the little strokes a little better. Yeah. Anyway, and let's see, anything else? No, that's about it. Yeah, that's about it. I don't think I missed anything. Yeah, I had a lot of fun with this page. It's a cute page in this book that has no author name. Sorry about that, but the images are pretty, right? So that's what I have for this week. Next week is the last Sunday of the month, so the 27th. We'll be using the same page, the two of us, and Polly's Pretties Coloring and Crafts did play along this Sunday. She already posted her video. I haven't watched it yet. Um, but yeah, be sure to check out her channel too. So we'll all be linked down below. And I hope you have a wonderful Sunday, wonderful Easter, and a beautiful week ahead. Thanks for watching. Hugs, love, and peace.